Zita rangu ndiTariro Negitari. Ndoda kukukokai patiri kupemberera nyanzvi dzedu mumaarts at the Nama Legends edition.
Pull it in to your body and then just do that. Oh! Yeah. You ready? Let's go. Yes. These are recorded.
Andirambe zvandapiwa naShe ndinogamuchira chipo chandapiwa ndinotora andirambe kuda kwaShe kwairambwa ndiani aina kufa
Guitar Sangoma, tell us something about Nama.
I feel extremely uncomfortable, Nama. I don't wear formal, Nama.
But we've tried something different with you this year.
No, you done changed me. You done changed me, Nama. It's on you.
In this Vistarino, there is a makeup deal. And Mr. Jose back there.
Ayo, 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 ayo.
And of course, our celebrity makeup artist.
Wow, you way!
Silent is wearing a suit. Yes.
Silent in a suit. Come on, guys. If you touch me one more time, I shall be.
It is a combination of three very versatile artists. One is considered to be the guitar sangoma, the other fluent in the language of saxophone, while the third is a queen unmatched with the guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, performing a tribute to the artists we've lost in the last year, please welcome Tarirone Gitari, Silent Moore, and Jose Sax.